10.
Best Secret Santa Gifts 2020. Funny and actually fantastic gift ideas for less than £10. Searching for a Secret Santa present that will make your associate giggle? We've gathered together the best senseless blessings, and for under a tenner. Purchasing the ideal Secret Santa present is rarely simple. How do you get something entertaining or novel, yet suitable? You need a blessing that says you value somebody's work and puts a grin all over. No, wait. It's a lot simpler if your Secret Santa gifted us a buddy. Obviously, however, a few of us won't be that fortunate. In COVID times it's much harder, as the Christmas list of things to get watercooler talks you may regularly depend on to manage your present determination is altogether too clear to lead over Slack. Hit subscribe. To help, we've chosen 15 of the best Secret Santa presents, and every one of them is under a tenner. On the off chance that you have a smidgen more cash to play with, you can match a couple of together. Hit subscribe. To help, we've chosen 15 of the best Secret Santa presents, and every one of them is under a tenner. On the off chance that you have a smidgen more cash to play with, you can match a couple of together. Two Christmas beard lights and tinsel set. On the off chance that your gifted is facial hair pleased, he'll get a genuine kick out of this bubbly facial hair lights and sparkle set. It incorporates convenient clasps, to keep all improvements secure, and bring a little Christmas cheer. 3 Disney Panorama Puzzle, 1000 piece. Disney fans and puzzle individuals will cherish this Disney Panorama puzzle set, which contains an astounding 1000 pieces. Some may state it's a blessing that continues giving. 4 Girl, Woman, Other. Broadly viewed as an adoration tune of womanhood and darkness, this splendid and excellent novel won the 2019 Booker Prize. Regardless of whether it's girl, woman, other or another, Bernardine Evaristo's fiction is consistently a brilliant blessing. 5 Famous Women Trivia Game. Women's Activist Present of the Year goes to this beautiful, minimal Famous Women Trivia Quiz, which incorporates 140 inquiry cards intended to test your insight about the world-changing ladies of the at various times. 6 Made by Cooper's Bath Salts. This all-common eucalyptus, lavender and rosemary shower salts are ideal for individuals who love to spoil themselves. As the Himalayan and Dead Sea salt mix eases, mellow, and fixes skin. They're handmade in Surrey, with no counterfeit aromas and vegetarian. 7 Spreadable Whisky Single Malt Marmalade. Searching for a present for the whiskey fan, who has everything? The Proper Marmalade Company has you covered with its container of grant-winning, genuine whiskey implanted preserves. The liquor is cooked off, yet the taste is still there, so it's the ideal topping for any season of day. 8 Reusable Copper Drinking Straws. These pretty and reasonable eco-accommodating straws are produced using excellent, copper-plated tempered steel and have an enemy of scratch covering, making them a companion to the climate. A beautiful present for a smoothie and mixed beverage fans. 9 Calm Club The Oracle set of 40 self-improvement cards. The otherworldly among us will adore these tarot-roused personal development cards from Calm Club. Intended to advance emotional wellness and prosperity. The set contains 42 cards, besides a guide booklet to kick you off. 10 Ridley's 1990s Music Trivia Game. Anybody beyond 25 years old will undoubtedly cherish this gathering agreeable 90s music game. It accompanies 40 cards, highlighting music, random data and next line difficulties. and comes bundled in a pleasant retro plastic tape case that likewise fills in as a convenient stand. 11 hot chocolate bombs, pack of 3. On the off chance that you have a chocolate sweetheart to purchase for, however, need something a touch more unique than some extravagant bars, get this hot cocoa bombs assortment. It makes the circles of 100% Belgian milk chocolate, with scaled down marshmallows hid inside. You basically add hot milk over the top, in a mug, obviously, to soften them into delicious beverages. 12 gold-plated sparkle circle necklace. In case you're adhered on what to purchase, somebody that loves shimmer, this gold-plated hover jewelry from M&S would be outstanding. It's skin kind, which goes past ordinary hypoallergenic norms, and super gleaming, however costs not exactly a tenner. 13 I survived lockdown 2020 Christmas decoration. If all else fails, go for an all-inclusive giggle. This pleasant Christmas enhancement, perusing I survived lockdown 2020, is handmade and rather elevating, considering the year we've all had. 14 Q+A Liquorice Lip Oil. Winter is coming. In a proper sense. Also, with chilly climate comes dried out lips. We prepared to guarantee your Secret Santa beneficiary with this licorice lip oil. A lip oil that does more than just moisturize. Q+A Liquorice Lip Oil has natural plumping properties to make lips appear fuller and boost moisturization levels. It's 100% natural too. 15 The Thursday Murder Club. Richard Osman's presentation novel is keen, amusing and rather exquisite, making it an ideal present for anybody of the sort. In addition, it has murder secret components a la Agatha Christie, so artistic investigators youthful and old won't be frustrated.
Please subscribe, please like, thank you for watching.